Alright, so I replaced the shift solenoid onto the valve body. I've already bolted it back down. If you've seen the video before this, you would have already seen all that. Cleaned both surfaces on the transmission and on the pan. I'll probably go ahead and wipe them back off one more time after I reinstall the valve body, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. Kind of walk you through step by step and go from there. Alright. So you're going to have to make sure the solenoid connector goes into that hole. There's only one way the sink can go in. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to place it up there, maybe start a couple bolts, and show you where all the bolts are needing to go to reassemble. Alright, so there was 6 bolts to put back. 1, 2. There's one over here on the other side of the muffler. There was another one right here, other side, and then right here. So this would be the first one and second one. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and bolt it back up and replace the filters. Alright, so I got the valve body bolted all back up in there now. Go ahead and take some of this stuff that's dripping off here. Rub the ring on the filter down. And then on the other filter, it's like a fill tube right here. You can kind of see where its finger is. Or anyways, there's a gasket, O-ring, something of that nature there. You need to go ahead and replace it with the hardware you get. It's better off just go ahead and replace it. I'm gonna go ahead and dig that out of there, and we'll go ahead and put the other one back in, and I'll show you how the other filter goes back in. Alright, so I'm going to kind of update something real quick. There is 3 right here on the valve body. 3 bolts up front. You got one right here, one right here, and one towards the back. Now, when you're taking the O-ring out for the other filter, it's located right here. You can really see the hole. That is the O-ring. Use your better judgment. Don't try to pry or damage something that you don't need to. This is a little makeshift tool I made to get to that. Something easy, nothing complex. So I'm going to replace that O-ring and plug that filter up in there. So here's the O-ring. Alright, so when you're actually putting that in, that O-ring, you really want to make sure you seat it correctly. That one right there. Make sure it's seated all the way. Should not be recessing out. No, the filter should just plug right up in there. And then the one bolt that transmission guy said to go ahead and replace. It's right there. We've never lost our screw. Here's a filter. Got to take this off real quick. So the filter goes up in there.